Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNOW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one was an IPO today, so that is why the chart looks goofy. Quite literally the first day of it trading, but price all over the place as you would expect from an IPO, although this one was probably crazier than most. But the point here being, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward, myself included, so I want to map out a couple areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support that stands out to me, and I think a lot of other traders will be watching this general area, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. But right there around 245, I mean, this is essentially where the price had some history there. And if the price pulls back more and breaks down through 245, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but in my opinion, at least, that's a spot where it becomes a logical thought to have that, you know what, maybe the price might be revisiting those lows, if not even going lower than that. But as of right now, you know, thinking that the price is going to go down to lows, I don't know, that's a little premature. I mean, let's just first see if the price can break below there. And if the price can there, then at that point, like I said, it makes a little bit more sense to be thinking that. But more of the story there, 245 is going to be an area that a lot of people are watching. If that falls, then while not a guarantee, very well could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So definitely keep a close eye on that moving forward. On the flip side of things, though, as far as areas of resistance, and I think this is a much more well-defined area, meaning there is going to be lots and lots of people watching right up there at that level of $275. So when everybody's brother and and uncle is going to be watching this breakout level, then you know that, and again, not a guarantee, but a more than valid, more than rational thought to have that if the price works its way up there and can get the break of 275, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's going to be the main level that I'm very curious about and watching. So 275 key level of resistance, 245 key level of support. Let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.